So inside row 1, that would be the number 5 car. The number 5 of Noah Andrus, outside of Noah Andrus in the 75. 75 would be Justin Hawkins inside row 2 in the 55 car. That is the 55 of Andrew Whaling. Outside of Andrew Whaling in the one, I think that's a 21 car. It's Iceman. That Richard Speck Jr. in the Iceman in the 21. Inside row 3, that cool looking graphic number 61. That is, we're going green flag racing. Here we go. They tricked me up here in the office. As it's going to be Justin Hawkins by a landslide right off the get-go. Iceman trying to make his move. Here comes the beer man, Sean Warman. So we got beer man and Iceman in the same race. If they put them together, it'd be an ice-cold beer. There you go. And they're coming around. We got 3 wide. We got 2 wide now as the 61 and 55 battling for the back. As Justin Hawkins might be putting it in cruise control and ending this race quick. As he's coming around again. Here comes Iceman, here comes Beerman, here comes the 82, and our points leader in the 05 is Jared Neal. Neal definitely wanting to make a move here. Iceman off the pace, dropping back quick in the 21 car. Here comes the Beerman. Beerman's faster than Iceman. Hawkins bringing him around again. As we're looking to get 3 wide here. Here comes a 45 through the middle. Whoa, 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 here comes a 61. Iceman really off the pace, just kind of falling from the front to the back. Looked good right off the get-go, and I don't know what happened from there. As Justin Hawkins is going to continue leading, but here comes Sean Warman, the beer man, followed by the 82, who almost went sideways in the turn. That is the 82X of Nate Swain. With white flag, 1 to go. It's going to be coming around this time. Justin Hawkins followed by Beerman. Here comes Beerman with the pressure. We could have a new leader. Let's find out with 1 to go. And it's going to be Hawkins holding them off. Here comes Beerman on the inside. Is he going to do the inside dive bomb? He's looking for the inside. We could have a photo finish. Who's it going to be? No photo finish. It's going to be Justin Hawkins. So great race by the 75 of Justin Hawkins, and there that pressure was coming from Beerman. We had quite a race there. Woo! So there goes Justin Hawkins. Definitely somebody who's happy about that one there. As we are going to start to give a few bicycles away. We have many bicycles to give away tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Many. If you saw them when you came in, lots of bicycles.